These beautiful animals all have an amazing story to tell. Come with us and find out what they are. Matt and I had a wonderful 4-day adventure in Timbavati Nature Reserve adjoining Kruger National Park in South Africa. Our wonderful ranger Robin and tracker Bumgani knew every animal we saw and had some amazing stories. We now share these with you. This female white rhino is only a few years old but has already been shot 5 times by poachers in Kruger National Park. After the first time she was shot, she stumbled into Timbavati and got veterinary treatment. She now makes her way here after every bullet wound to see the vet and recuperate. She knows Timbavati is safe, but there's not enough food or mates or territory here for her. Her life is governed by braving danger, but she's a tough lady. She'll make her way back to Kruger and risk being shot again. It's no fun being a baboon if you're a girl. The alpha male and his mates completely govern this patriarchal dictatorship. Male sentries patrol women and babies to ensure they keep up with the herd and hassle them if they don't. On the other hand, it's fun being female if you're a hyena. These interesting animals are matriarchal, hunt as a pack, and are related more to cats than dogs. The den is strictly women only. Only the alpha female mates outside the den, and this is her lovely cub. Don't be fooled by this so-called male display. Both male and female hyenas have elongated reproductive organs that are very similar.
That is very hard to tell. I would say that this could be a male, based on the way it just peed.
The only man allowed in the den is the alpha female's oldest son, and he has the lowest rank. He's cook and bottle washer. Chameleons hide in the darkness. This little dude changed colour as soon as we shone our torch on them.
Terrible with these guys. They pick them off the branches so easily.
These animals can't afford to be seen during the day as they're yellow hornbill's favourite food. Baby elephants sleep lying down, watched over by adult herd members. Once they're up, it's time to eat, or if they're older, feed themselves. Then there's exploring and playing to do. Oh, that is so adorable. Oh! They're in a pushing competition. Oh, mate. Ow!
Cheeky.
Push back and good on you. Yeah, look. Baby elephants are cute, but getting pregnant's hell. When an adult female's ready to mate, a male elephant will come sniffing round the herd.
She's like, I can't believe you let that happen to me.
Oh.
You know, he follows her around constantly, like showing himself off.
He lays his trunk on her back and generally touches her. The herd's alpha female forces the female to mate by stopping her escaping. Mating is very painful as the male elephants have massive penises. This feisty young female leopard is only 2, but has already taken an older female's territory. Normally she'd still be sharing with her mum.
But she has a massive territory. Now usually only after 3 years old, 4 years old, will a female actually be starting to gain territory. As small as she is, she can still carry a fully grown male impala up the street.
I can believe it.
Yeah, it's incredible. Obviously they take all the guts out first and the stomach out, and they leave that.
Oh, you reckon it wasn't last night's kill though?
No, probably not, because she did, where we were sitting watching her was very close to here.
Right.
And the way she was lying looking, she would have been looking straight in this direction. I would say tonight she's going to be hunting.
This male leopard's sleepy. Maybe he's been mating. Leopards are solitary but will come together for 4 or 5 days to mate.
Oh,
No breaks.
Wow.
Every 15 minutes the female gets up, rubs against the male and demands.
At the end of the marathon, the male is knackered. Every morning, Mr. Warthog gets out of his den and patrols around. Once he knows it's safe, Mummy Warthog and the baby warthogs emerge from the den and they all go off to feed.